Hello everyone, it's time for Tai Chi class. Let's get flowing. Take a deep breath in and out. Let the arms rise to the side and drift back down. Breathing in and out. And this time, bend the elbows, gather in, press down, and sink the chi. Breathe in and out. And take one foot, step out about shoulder width, and the arms rise out in front of us, shoulder height, and drift back down for opening the door. Breathe in and out. And now round the arms out in front of you like a big hug. This hand drifts up to the top, and this hand follows underneath, and embrace the moon. Give that moon a big toss, switch your hands, and catch it again. Breathe in, and out. And now round your arms out, that big hug again. And back to sinking the chi. Breathe in and out. And now, sway. Just a little, one side to the other. And tap this foot in. And the arms come out to the side. And sway. And back over here. Lift the foot, bring it in. And bring that toe up just a little bit. And let it drift back down. And up, up, and the arms come up over your head. and spread your wings. This is the crane. And bring it back down. And back to sway. And now lift this toe and bring it in. Tap this toe in. Now tap this toe in. Let it hover. And sway. Tap this toe in. And bring it up just a little bit. And back down. And now up, up, up overhead. The crane. The white crane. And let it back down. And sway. Back to center and sink the chi. Give that big hug, catch that moon, take a little step in, step out just a little. This hand comes down by the hip and this hand brushes out like you're gently brushing a curtain. Bring it back in, turning at the hips, and gently brush the curtain. Breathing in and out. Now take this hand, reach through that window, bring it up and over, and let's come to the other side. Take that stuff out and gently brush the curtain. Breathe in and out. Now reach through that window again. Take it back over to the side. Take that little step in. Step out. Gently brush the curtain one time. And now reach through that window, but this time palms face each other and slide down. And bring it back. Slide down. Breathing in and out. Now slide down just to here. Reach through that window and bring it across to the other side. Gently brush the curtain one time. Reach through that window, slide down. Breathing in and out. Now slide down just halfway, reach to that window, and bring it across to the other side. Gently brush the curtain one time, reach through, slide down one time. Now we're going to toss it away, cross up the wrists, and press out. Breathing in. And out. Now lie down just halfway, reach through the window and take it across to the other side. Gently brush the curtain one time, reach through, slide down one time, and toss it away. Cross out the wrists, press out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And slide down just halfway, and take it to the other side. And gently brush the curtain one time, reach through, slide down one time, toss, cross, press one time, and now separate the hands, pull it in, push out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now this one's a little bit different. Bend at the elbows, open the heart space, and catch that move. Gently brush the curtain one time. Reach through, slide down one time, toss, cross, and press just once. Separate the hands and pull it in and push out. Bend at the elbows, open the heart space, and let's do the other side. Just once for each part. And all together, this is grasping the bird's tail. Bend at the elbows, open the heart space, one time for each part on this side. Bend at the elbows, open just to center and sink the cheek. And back to sway. And this foot lightens, take a step in and sway. Tap in. And let the toe hover, and the arms come out to the side. And sway. Tap in, lift the toe, and bring it back down. And now up, up, up overhead. And bring it back down. And back to sway. tap this toe in and sway. Tap this toe in and let it hover and bring it back down and back to sway. Tap in, lift the toe, and the arms come out to the side. And as you breathe out, bring it back down. And up, bring your hands up overhead. And back down with an exhale. And back to sway. Bring it back to center and sink the chi. And now up and over that moon. Up to the heart space. And bring it back down and up and over. Pressing down. Now up to the heart space. Make a diamond shape with your fingers and press in. And share the heart. And release. Up and over. Press it down. And up and over that moon. In and out. Make that diamond shape and press it out. And release. And release one time, sink the chi. This foot returns, two palms together and a little bow. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe and ring that bell icon so you don't miss the next class. See you next time.